Okay, real talk. If you've got a laptop and 30 spare minutes, you can turn digital templates into cash flowing books on Amazon. I'm talking about Amazon KDP. It's free to use and lets you upload journals, planners, coloring books, basically low content books, and get paid royalties every single month. They've got thousands of KDP ready templates, planners, interiors, even covers. You download it, tweak it in Canva or PowerPoint, and upload it to KDP. I've used this to create books that sell on autopilot. And yes, you got commercial rights, so you're good to go. If you want to try it out, hit the link in the description and get started with Creative Fabrica. Seriously, it's like a cheat code for publishing on Amazon.